This is a roadworks paving machine dropping a concrete pavement in place. Levels are maintained using a GPS satellite system. This shows a roadworks paving machine laying a concrete pavement. This image shows base material being fed into a paving machine. You will notice the surveyor in the foreground punching in coordinates in the theodolite. This image shows a civil construction maintenance worker servicing a paving machine. Here we see civil construction dirt doctors testing the soil for density and moisture content to pass quality assurance specifications before the base course can be laid. This image shows a civil construction worker placing a segmental curve laid in concrete slurry in preparation of laying the backstone. Here we see a grader cutting the toe of the batter for the roadworks construction. This image is a good representation of how major civil works is constructed around existing traffic flow. Australian Army engineers using a nuclear densometer in conjunction with USA Army engineers doing the sand replacement test. This image shows a self-propelled smooth vibrating drum roller compacting subgrade materials in the foreground while the grader spreads materials further back. This image shows a civil construction worker dewatering a site with a flexi-drive pump in preparation for future roadworks ensuring wastewater meets with the Environmental Protection Plan. Here we see a CC10 twin roller working in conjunction with a smooth drum self-propelled roller compacting sub-base materials. This is an image of a surveyor using a laser level to determine heights of earthworks.